Hey guys, just want to let you know we're going to be closing up soon. How'd you enjoy your coffee?
This coffee might be the single greatest coffee I have ever had in my 27 years of existing on this blue little ball. If it were a woman, I'd make her my muse and create magnificent art with her.
Magnificent art.
Yeah, I'm just glad you enjoyed it.
I mean it, man. You are the goddamn master roaster. I will spread your legend around and tell your tale. People will know your name. Everyone.
Please don't.
I'll never forget you.
Never.
Please do. Hello? Anybody there? Who the hell are you guys? What do you want?
Silence!
What was that? Stop with the spraying. It's very annoying.
I said silence! I'll be asking the questions.
Whoa, we? What you mean we? Yeah, that's what I said. I said we'll be asking the questions. What are you doing?
Didn't sound like it.
What was that?
Nothing. I'm just gonna go get the torture card.
Torture card? What do you mean torture card? What do we need a torture card for?
Because we want the combination for that. We know it contains the perfect roast.
Look, man, I don't know the password. I'm just an employee.
Well, I want to do it the easy way, but you're going to be like that because we're going to do it the fun way. Well, fun for me, not for you. Time for
Fun!
Okay, I was going to say that. Why are you?
I'm sorry.
You know,
Sorry.
just shut up. Forget it. Okay, let's just get started. Smell good.
Actually, yeah, it does smell pretty delicious. You can tell it's a nice dark roast. What are you gonna do with that?
I knew an experienced roaster such as yourself would appreciate such a fine roast like this. So we're gonna see how you feel when we change it up a bit.
No, come on, you're gonna ruin the rich, pure flavor.
Better tell us.
I can't. You sick monsters! You couldn't stop at cream and sugar?
Let's start with the hard biscuits.
Ow.
What the hell was that?
I thought that was the whole plan with the biscuits.
No, you idiot!
Well, he got the message. Maybe it worked too.
Oh yeah, definitely. Hey, let's figure it out right now. Hey, barista guy, are you gonna show us the combination now?
No.
Oh, god diddly damn, I guess it didn't work out then.
Listen, guy, a simple, I don't think that would have worked, would suffice.
God damn it, just let me do it! Hey, look, I'm sorry about that. I don't know what the hell's going on with him. You know, I only known him for like a day or two. We had the same goals. He's got something I think he's just got something a little fucked in his head. But look, just try a little bit of this. It's good. Come on, just a little nibble. Come on! There you go. Okay. Here, just hold on. It's gonna help you go down nice and easy. Come on. Drink it! Get the funnel. Bottoms up. Come on. Drink it! Fucking drink it! Come on! Bastards! Still being defiant? Let's give him some more. Come on. Take it! What is it? It's gonna keep happening until you say it! Come on!
Fruit!
It's brew.
We happy?
Oh yeah, we happy.
So, can I go now?
Oh, no. No, you've seen too much. Why don't you top them off?
No, please. I'm just the middleman.
Let me see it. Beautiful.
Thanks for the help.
Son of.
Just hand it over, you smooth brain barista. See you around.